Hi friends, welcome to the Forgotten Lore. How are you? I believe all of you are fine. I am also fine. Everything is fine. All is well. Come on friends, today let us enter inside our channel, The Forgotten Lore. So one of our friend have requested to put up recipes and videos regarding this Punarnava. So this is one among them. Friends, this is Boyerevia diffusa. I am going to collect this plant now. After collecting, I will show how we can use it in different recipes. Already we have discussed about this plant in our channel. So about that link I will give in the e-cards. So here this is the plant. See how big it has grown up. It has grown along with other plants. I have shown both the dorsal and ventral sides of the leaves of this Boyerevia. So different kinds of dishes I am going to prepare by using this now. It has grown along with other plants. So now let us harvest it. You can see how luxuriously it has grown. We can use this as curry leaf. How we are using curry leaf for cooking purpose, no? Like that also we can use. So after collecting this one, I am going to use only the leaves today. These stem parts we can preserve it to make green tea. So this is the harvested plant. Now I will clean this and I am going to use this for different purposes. As I told, this is the identification help, that is the color of the flower. You can see this flower. It is not clear. Yeah. See, now you can see the flower very clearly. See the color. I am going to use these leaves to make khichdi, suji khichdi, as well as multigrain vermicelli. We call it as savai. So now let us start cleaning. Dear friends, today I am going to prepare the normal suji rava khichdi by using this Punarnava. So one of our friend have requested to put up recipes and videos regarding this Punarnava. So this is one among them. So to prepare this suji khichdi, we can say the name Punarnava suji khichdi. So to prepare that dish, I have prepared like this. I have cut sliced one tomato and one onion also I have sliced. Then I have taken only 2 red chilies, and then I have cleaned and washed this Punarnava leaves. So I have taken only the leaves. The stem I did not take for this preparation. So I have put it inside the water because it is hot season. I want to keep it fresh. Till seasoning I want to keep it like this. And then other seasoning materials I am going to take. Along with that, these 3 are the main ingredients for this. Groundnut, I have taken 1 spoon of groundnut, 1 spoon of black gram dal, and then 1 spoon of moong dal, that is green gram dal. So with this, to prepare the dish, we need suji. This white rava, we call it as white rava. This white suji I have roasted and I have kept it. With this I am going to add little of vermicelli also. So all these things we are going to add and we will make a delicious preparation. So let us start the preparation, friends. So whenever needed, we have to add the needed quantity of salt also. For normal seasoning, what are the things we use? I am going to use the same thing. I have kept the vessel for the preparation. In this I am going to add oil. The oil is hot enough, so I am adding mustard in this. Let the mustard get splattered. So it has started to splatter. Now I am adding this black gram dal, green gram dal, as well as this groundnut. So I am getting a nice aroma. Now I am going to add other ingredients such as onion, chili, tomatoes. Now I am adding the cut onions. Now I am adding the chilies. Now with this I am adding the tomato pieces. Now this is the right time to add salt so that the tomatoes will become soft. Now with this I am going to add this cleaned Punarnava, that is Vairevia diffusa leaves. How we will add curry leaves with the preparation now? In the same way we have to add this one with this. Till the Vairevia leaves gets rolled like this, we have to fry it. Up to this we have to fry this in oil, this leaf. Now I am going to add water. After adding water, keep it closed. Let the water get boiled. The water has started to boil. So now I am adding this vermicelli in the boiling water. Mix it thoroughly in this, and then we will add suji also. So mix it thoroughly without formation of lumps. Keep it closed for a few seconds. See friends, now the healthy Punarnava Khichdi is ready. So come on friends, this amazing Vairevia Khichdi is ready. I have taken this onion pickle as a side dish. Come on, let us enjoy the food. You also prepare this high value amazing dish in your house. Enjoy and give me your feedback. To prepare the food, I am steam boiling the multigrain vermicelli. Friends, to prepare this multigrain Punarnava vermicelli, these are the needed ingredients. I have taken 1 pan of steam boiled vermicelli. This is multigrain vermicelli. Along with that, I have taken other seasoning materials such as mustard, and one of the important ingredient for this is cumin. Jeera also I have taken, and then this is mixed pulses. All kinds of pulses, broken pulses I have taken, and then cashew to increase the deliciousness and flavor I have taken, mustard for seasoning, then cut onions, 2 red chilies, dried red chilies I have taken, then sliced tomato. The most important ingredient is this cleaned Punarnava leaves. We have to use only this much of leaf. We should not add more, because if more Punarnavin is there, we will get nausea like sensation. So we have to add only this much. So now let us start the preparation. Besides this, I am going to use little oil and salt also. Friends, now I have kept the pan. So in the pan I am adding little quantity of oil. So now I am going to add little of mustard. The oil is not hot enough. Now the mustard has started to splutter. So I am reducing the heat. I am adding cumin, jeera with this, and then this pulses mix. With this, now I am going to add small quantity of this cashew. Then onions. Along with this I am going to add this cut red chili also. With this now I am going to add the cleaned and washed this Punarnava leaves. We have to fry a little so that the raw smell of this Punarnava leaf will go away and the leaf will start to roll. The color also will change. With this now I am adding the cut tomatoes. Friends, for any preparation, after adding the tomatoes, if we add salt, the tomato will get softened soon. So I have added salt. So now it is okay, friends. So with this now I am going to add this boiled multigrain vermicelli. So I have added. Now I will mix it thoroughly so that it will become separated. It will get separated. So friends, it is done now. So now this Punarnava multigrain vermicelli is ready. Come on friends, let us taste and enjoy the food. It is said that regular consumption of Punarnava is good for our health, and particularly it rejuvenates our body as well as our liver. For proper liver functioning, it is aiding and helping us. And even in blood purification, it is aiding us. So regarding the medicinal properties of this Punarnava, already we have discussed in our channel. So kindly refer that one. I will give the link in the description box, and as well as I will attach it in the end screen and in iCards also. So try this delicious food in your house also, and give me your feedback. As a side dish for this one, simple curd is enough. Simple curd will go very well with this one. So friends, thank you for watching the video patiently. Whenever you get time, kindly watch all my videos and give me your precious comments and feedback in the comment section so that I can improve my channel and my way of presentation. Kindly support me and encourage me by supporting and subscribing my channel. So friends, meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. See you. Bye bye. Best wishes.